video can be controversial to some people. I think I even need to put the user's discretion is advised. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joyce. I'm a final year medical student and I'm also a UI UX designer. And in this video, I will be talking about how I'm going to leave medicine for an alternative career. Currently, I'm still in medical school, and the savior mentality will come into medical school with like that passion to save lives. Especially now, they say, don't do medicine for the profits, do it for the passion. I mean, right from the get go, I didn't come in with the passion for medicine. I came in for the profit. I mean, medicine is a very good place for good profit. It's a great means to an end, and for me it was more of the profit and also pressure to you had good grades in jam is the joint admission matriculation board, is an exam we take to enter into the medical school. You had good grades in jam, you should choose medicine, and after all, it's like a very reasonable course for you to take. And I must say, as a disclaimer, if you still have this passion breathing in you, I am not here to kill the joy. I By all means, I support you. I mean, we cannot all be leaving the field, and we cannot all be on the field as well. So some of us want to be outside of the field but still making some decisions in the healthcare, and that is who this video, those are the people this video is for. And this particular part I'm talking about is taking the health tech path. Now, this health tech part now, it doesn't involve me having to waste my years in school, like spending 6 to 8 years and having nothing to do with it. No, it's like a transition from medicine into technology. It's like I'm taking my skills from medicine and I'm transferring them into technology. Now, to just bring things to base, what is health tech? Health tech is also known as healthcare technology, and it is a broad field that encompasses technologies, innovations that are designed to do three things. One, to improve healthcare delivery. Two, to improve patient outcome. And three, to just overall improve the healthcare experience. Now, how much is the health tech industry worth? According to reports, this health tech industry is valued at over $211 billion, and by 2030 is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of about 18.2%. I mean, that's a huge market for most doctors and even non-medical people. It's a huge market for a lot of people. Now you're probably wondering, how do I get into health tech and what fields are involved in health tech? Now these are the fields that are involved in health tech. I'm going to give you like 6 different fields that are involved in healthcare. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a place you're going to go and further your research if this is an interest that you'd like. So stick around for the end of the video. So number one field that the health tech industry entails is the digital health. Now, the digital health refers to the use of digital technologies such as mobile apps, wearable devices, and telehealth solutions to improve healthcare delivery, patient engagement, and disease management. We also have the medical devices. This includes a wide range of devices used in the diagnosis, treatment, and monitoring of medical conditions, such as implantable devices, diagnostic imaging equipment, and surgical instruments. We have the health information technology, which is the HIT, and it involves the use of information technology such as electronic health records to improve the accuracy, efficiency, and accessibility of health information. We have the biotechnology. This refers to the use of living organisms, cells, and biological processes to develop new treatments and therapies for a range of medical conditions. We have artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is on the high rise these days. And these technologies are being used to develop predictive analytics, image recognition, and natural language processing tools to improve medical diagnosis, treatment, and research. And lastly, we have the health services. This includes a range of services that support healthcare delivery, such as healthcare consulting, healthcare management, and healthcare staffing. Now, these various fields are the fields that are involved in healthcare technology. Now, the next question might be, what skills do I need to get into healthcare? Technology has modernized healthcare and it has become a home for tech savvy professionals. These new healthcare tools are the work of those tech savvy professionals, such as the software engineers, the data analysts, the product designers. They lean on their skills to imagine, design, and build these new tools of healthcare. And also, a tip for breaking into health tech: before you start to dive into health tech, you need to be specific on what part you want to do. Do you want to be developing applications? Do you want to be working on wearables? Do you want to go into data analytics? Are you one that do good with numbers, or you already have a knowledge on coding? Just get a knowledge of where exactly you want to contribute your skill in health tech. Now, there are two major fields in technology. You have the coding part, and then you have the non-coding part. I have a video on the non-coding roles in technology, and this link will be in my description box. You can check it out. When you're particular about the path that you want to take in healthcare, then you will know the skills to build. If it's a coding skill you're going to learn, or it's the non-coding skill that you're going to learn to get into the health tech industry. And it's so fabulous that you don't even need to go to a boot camp per se. As a doctor or even as an undergraduate, you can start to build up these skills even before you come out of school. Even as a doctor, you can start to learn. It's never too late. You can start to learn how to get these skills to bust into the health tech field. Overall, the goal of health tech is to leverage technology and innovation to improve healthcare outcomes, increase efficiency, and also reduce costs. In the description box, I'll be leaving a link to 101 companies that are open to take health tech professionals. So long as you have a medical background, it's like an unfair advantage to the others who do not have a medical background. So there are 101 um, companies that are open to take you as a health tech professional as long as you have the required skill. And trust me, they pay awesomely well. As I told you earlier in the beginning of the video, I said I had a secret for you, and it is, this whole script was written by an artificial intelligence called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is no longer a new member of the tech family. It has been in circulation for months now, and it has been super, super helpful. So I'm telling you this secret. So if you want to make further research on health technology, I just typed in ChatGPT, what exactly is health tech about? And he gave me a full download of what health tech is all about. So I advise you, if you want to break into this particular field, feel free to use the Google, feel free to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT feels more like you are communicating with a mentor, you're communicating with a senior colleague. It gives you real human chat and, just detailed information about everything that you might want to ask about. So feel free to use it. So good luck to everyone out there. If you feel you want to transition from healthcare into health tech, this video will give you a foundation, but I advise you go further and do your research yourself. Thanks for sticking through to the end of this video. I always say, don't put yourself in that box. Always amaze yourself. I'm rooting for you. Bye.